Just a few. Welcome to Goose Creek.
What's up, everybody? I'm Adam with Foundation Moto, and we're out here today at the Goose Creek Airstrip in Indian Trail, North Carolina, where we put on one of our signature Old Town Revival events. This thing has become a beautiful, beautiful event of all things motorcycles, vintage, hot rods, classic cars, you name it. It takes you back to the 1960s, 1970s, just old school flag girls, 3, 2, 1, go. Nothing better than to be able to come out on a beautiful old school airstrip like this and lean into all our passions of old things, old school 2 wheels, 4 wheels, and just a beautiful day of fun.
That's a good looking bike right there. Trucks. Oh.
Welcome everybody. Come here and get you 3 more peanuts all day long. Airport. Brought to you by
Thing hadn't even started yet. Not really, not officially. And just look at everybody that's here.
There you go. Throttle. All right, release the throttle.
Getting ready to roll, baby.
All right, first ride in a drift car?
Yep,
Oh man, we're gonna have some fun.
we're gonna have fun.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. We'll leave you in here for a few runs. If you have any issues or need to take your visor up or getting too hot, just let me know. I'll pull off,
Okay.
whatever we need to do.
Well, I can pop the visor up while I'm in here. That ain't a
Okay,
problem.
cool. Just make sure, yeah, just as long as you're comfortable and feeling good,
Oh, I'll be feeling fine.
we'll keep ripping then.
That's badass, dude.
This shit's fun. I hope that I'm capturing some of it, at least so that you know what it's like. Freaking cool in here. Drift cars were a freaking blast. Hope you enjoyed the footage from inside of it. Now we're getting ready for the drag races, so I'd like to thank Jonathan and those guys from that crew for letting me tag along for one of their for the first leg of their show. I appreciated it, I really did. It was a cool experience, and I enjoyed it. Hopefully I gave you a feel of what it was like. that's it. That's the end of the day at Ride In, Drive In, or Fly In. It was another great event put on by these guys. They do a fantastic job. I caught some of, hopefully I captured what the vibe of this event is like, because it's really rather unique. It's unique for me. Never been someplace where you can experience so much different stuff, and all of it is for the love of 2 and 4 wheels. Drop down in the comments if there's anything local to you that is similar to this. Maybe I can come check it out. Yeah, that's it. That's all I had for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Do me a favor. If you've liked my content, maybe go back and watch a couple other videos. If you really like what I do, consider subscribing. Share it with your friends. Let them know about it. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Get out there and ride before the weather changes. And no matter what you do, always ride safe.